She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is going to be a tasty little snack that you can whip up for any type of get-together or gathering. It's something that'll be easy to eat for a party. We're going to go ahead and make some cheesesteak empanadas. In this case, though, we're going to put a little twist on them by making the empanadas in the shape of footballs just in time for your next football party. So again, we're going to go ahead and use some delicious cheesesteak flavors in here. These are the ingredients that we will be using. You can substitute any of your favorite toppings for your cheesesteak in these empanadas. That's the good thing about it. It's like a nice little bite of everything you'd want to eat on a cheesesteak. So hopefully you guys are ready for this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a mood body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, you applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper. You with a big stepper who chasing the cheddar. All of these women, they not on your level. You like a mix of business and pleasure. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. Then you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you new improved. But you ain't even flexing. But you ain't even flexing. But you ain't even flexing. But you ain't even flexing.
Okay guys, so these are the cheesesteak empanadas, the football inspired cheesesteak empanadas. As you can see, we did our best to make these look like footballs. If you don't have the football cookie cutter, that's okay. You can just make these the traditional way. Inside it was full of that delicious steak, cheesesteak meat with the peppers and the onions and that provolone cheese. And then we had that flaky pie crust shell that encased everything so well. I went ahead and just dipped it in some more cheese sauce. I do like my cheesesteaks extra cheesy sometimes. In this case, go ahead and dip it in whatever sauce you might like. You could do pizza sauce, or you can make a white cheese sauce also as well. Be creative with what you want to dip it in. It's gonna taste fantastic. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.